want food eater? No, okay. I'll think of that for the cheese then. I can, but it's not here. Okay, the start of the tour I said the caves have a steady temperature, about 11 degrees, same humidity, and the air is very still here, so it's perfect for aging cheese. There's nothing new about it. They used to use cheddar caves for maturing their cheddar cheese, not surprisingly, and most of the caves in the rest of Europe are used in some form for aging cheese. So the cheese comes in here, it's cheddar, and stays here on and off for about 18 months, and then it's taken away, sold in our shop, and apparently it also, places like Harrods, Waitrose, and I think even Marks and Spencer are showing a sign of wanting to sell it. Wait, I still have the cheese. The cheese in the corner here is the Blue Peter cheese, so they came down here, filled me about a year ago, and that hopefully will go down fairly soon to London. It's looking extremely grey, where they're going to use that as part of their 60th birthday celebrations. So that's why the cheese is here, and as I say later on you'll actually see the wine rack as well with the aged wine down here. Okay, so have a look at that chamber. Your tour continues on your left. It is going across bridges at quite high level across some of the chambers, and sometimes the passageways get a bit confined. If you're unhappy about that, I can take you the shortcut to Chamber 9 through the cheese chamber, but if you're happy doing that, I'll suggest you go that way, and I'll then meet you in Chamber 9. Okay, everyone happy doing that? Yeah. Right, I'll see you in Chamber 9. Chamber 9, known as Cathedral Chamber, the largest cave they've got in the Wookey Hole Caves so far. It's remarkable, basically about 100 feet tall, and it's about above that is another chamber 25 feet tall, and then 10 feet above that is the surface of the hill. So you're almost looking at the hill always being hollow here. And obviously that's why this is the chamber, if anything, reports any rainfall. So you can see the rain is falling about 130 feet above us, it's going through quite quickly, and it's falling down through these walls. On the wall you've got sheet stalactite, which is basically very slow moving waterfall. It's not depositing at the moment, but that is moving far too fast. The wire above us there, that is put in because it's got rock falls, because 2 years ago it used to come to my left and blasted, so that was put up to stop any rock into rock fall. Nothing happened, but it can be left there as a safety measure. The other thing to say about Chamber 9 is this is where the cave divers now have their base. So they will go down into that sump below us there, start their cave diving. To give you some idea of what it's like to be a cave diver, you'll go down on that stump and immediately you will actually be going down about 70 feet down the chamber about as wide as my span. It then goes down 70 feet and will then emerge in chamber 10. So if you can imagine you're a cave diver, we're going to walk that in a matter of a few seconds. To be a cave diver, you're probably talking about doing a half-hour dive to get down under that rock bar into chamber 10. Anyway, up until 2 years ago, this is where your cave tour was finished, but the new tunnel's been made 2 years ago, so we can actually go down that to chamber 20. So as you come down, and as you do the cave dive, sliding down, come up into chamber 10.
Oh, you can shoot through one of that.
There are this is chamber 20. Discovered in 1970 by a cave diver who came up from the corner there. Up until 2 years ago, more people, a little bit more than 2 years ago, up until that 2 years ago, more people actually walked on the surface of the moon and come into this chamber. Because to get into this chamber, you'd have to be quite an experienced cave diver and be prepared to do quite an arduous dive.